Hello and welcome to this easy tutorial on how to set up Facebook. So first thing we're going to do is type Facebook in the top search bar. Going to enter Facebook and we hit enter. Then the top link will show us the link to Facebook. So we're going to click that. And here we are on the Facebook main home account. So first thing we're going to do is enter our first and last name. For test purposes, this will be John and Smith for me. But enter your own name. John Smith. Now we're going to enter either our mobile number or our email address. In this case, I'm going to use my email address, but feel free to use your mobile number. Now it's going to ask us to re-enter our email address, so that's what we're going to do. And we're going to select a password to enter. So feel free to use your own password. Make sure it's a secure password. Now we're going to enter our date of birth. For test purposes, this will be the 1st of January 2000 for me, but you'll have to enter your own date of birth there. Please note that under 13s cannot create an account for Facebook, since this is not allowed by the Facebook policy. Now we're going to select our gender. We've got the options of female, male, or custom. In my case, I'm going to use male. Now it will ask us to verify our email address. So Facebook will have sent an email to your email account with a code. Here you can see the email with the code. So we're just going to click on the email and we're going to copy and paste the code. So copy and paste it in the field. Then we're going to press on the confirm button. And here we are. We've got the home screen of Facebook, and the first thing that we'll see is a pop-up from Facebook saying whether we want to allow them to send us notifications. If you do, feel free to press allow. If you don't, then please say block. In my case, I'm going to press block. And here we are on the home page of Facebook. To follow our next tutorial, please sign up for an account at techwise.nz.